Hi everyone, this side Dr. Shakti and I am back again with another video, and in this video we are going to discuss about different kinds of props that we can use for strengthening our body. So resistive exercises. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to discuss with all of you is about the Therabands, right? These are very famous things and which are very fancy things that we mostly find in case of our female, okay, or in women. They try to use this Theraband because they are very fun. You can create a lot of individual exercises with the Therabands, and it also helps to create a bond with your body as well. So here we have got different kinds of Therabands, like green, we have got red, and we have got black and blue. So why these are so very colorful? Because these are of different resistance. So you can see this is a brand of Bold Fit that I have bought for my clients, and this is 7 to 10 kg, which is a lighter one. And you can see you have got a green one which is very extra light, 2 to 3 kg, which is present. And you can see a red one which is heavy, that's like 13 to 15 kg, which is written. And mostly it's like black is the toughest one, we can say, which is of 18 to 20 kg, right? So do we actually feel that resistance when we use these different Therabands? Yes, you can feel it when you get the feedback from the client. Okay, your client is going to tell you that how they are feeling when they are using different kinds of Therabands, right? So when you are focusing on your client's strength, or you're trying to improve the muscle tone, muscle property, or you're trying to increase the range of motion in the joints, so you can use these kind of Therabands, which are really useful. And to be very careful, you have to use it in a very gradual way. Okay, that's why these ranges of Therabands are present. So you can start with the very light ones, that is the green one that we have shown, where the client will not feel much resistance, but the body will get accustomed with the use of the prop, right? And then you can go ahead with the blue one or the red one, but you have to go in a very gradual way. Okay, do not jump from like very low to very high intensity, because these are client centered. Okay, because every client is different. You have to create a protocol which is client centered approach, and where your client is going to give you that feedback how they felt after using these Therabands. So to start with week 1, we can focus on a very lighter Theraband that is being used. Before the use of the Theraband, you can start with warm-up activities, and along with the warm-up activities for 5-10 minutes at least. After that, you can use this Theraband in different ways. So in my coming videos, I'm going to show you the practical demonstration of use of the Therabands with different upper body, lower body activities, and how you're going to strengthen your core and your upper back as well. So after that, you have got a conditioning phase where you're going to condition the body with the help of this Theraband. Plus, you can also use other props or only the body weight activities. So after you have completed 15, 20, 25 minutes, you can go for the cool down effect. So what do you do in the cool down effect? You try to release down the tension in your muscle, and you try to cool down the muscle from a high energy activity to a very low energy activity, or to the rest, right? So being a physio, I have advised many of my clients to go for these kind of activities, because these are much useful and these are really important for an everyday activity that you can do. Mostly with our female clients, where they are more focusing on their abs, we are focusing on their thighs. You can use this Therabands in a variety of fun and enjoyable activities, which is going to help you to reduce down on your fats. It's going to help you to tone up your body. It's also going to help you look more slimmer. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and wait for the other videos where I'm going to explain you about the different other kinds of props that we can use for strength training and many more.